anyways, here's this cable. It's a lightning cable. Let's see. I forgot what this kind of cable is, but it works with some sort of printer. And then there's other devices such as 3D printers. Pretty much most stuff I'm going to use it is for printers. It also works with my vinyl cutter and stuff like that. This is just great for me because I can print with an iPhone or an iPad rather than having to use my computer. It's great for when I don't want to transfer files or I don't want to have my huge laptop to work with it. And then I can just use my phone or my tablet and then send it directly to my printer or whatever.